Costco has plenty of warehouse items to purchase, but one of their claims to fame is their cafe. Shoppers can get a drink, a hot dog, or a piece of pizza while they shop big box items. One of the most popular combos is a hot dog or Polish hot dog and soda for just $1.50. While the traditional all-beef hot dog is staying on the menu, there was 137 million of them sold last year. Costco CFO told the Seattle Times the Polish hot dog is getting the boot. Costco is going to replace the Polish hot dog with healthier options, like a meatless El Pastor salad and an acai bowl. How are you supposed to hold either of those items in one hand while you shop? Loyal fans took their ire to Twitter. "I'd rather have an acai bowl than a Polish dog," said no one with functioning taste buds. Fact: no one who shops at Costco wants an acai fruit bowl instead of a Polish hot dog. The Costco Polish hot dog is being removed for an acai bowl? I can't take more of 2018. Yeah, we need the comfort food now more than ever. Don't force your health food on us.